Governor Simialayi Fubara don talk say your administration go do more development for the state with the caliber of persons wey dey appointed into in government, and say engaging people wey first work for years on Wike administration go make sure say the vision of continuity and consolidation align. The governor talked this one during the swearing-in ceremony of 9 new commissioners for the council chambers for Government House Port Harcourt on Friday, 16 June 2023. He counted them to see themselves as part of a strong team wey join body to provide ogbonge governance to Rivers people. Oga Fubara can congratulate the new commissioners for their appointment and can tell the commissioners to be proactive as them already dey familiar with the tenets of governance, and say make them work hard to improve the quality of service delivery to the people of Rivers State.
Let me welcome you and congratulate you as new commissioners of our administration. We believe strongly that your coming on board will help the ones that are already there to form the required team that we need to work as a full system for better governance, improving in what we inherited for the good of the good people of Rivers State. A lot of faces here are old faces. I know that what is going around is why are we still circulating the old commissioners, those of them who served in the previous administration. But the truth still remains that our mantra is continuity and consolidation. A few of the old ones that are still here are not here because they can be changed. But for one way or the other, we still feel they have a lot to offer to us. That is why we had to bring them back. So it there means you are here to support us to record more achievement for the state, and this administration is to contribute to the success of the administration.
The new commissioners now: former Chief of Staff, Government House Port Harcourt, Engineer Emeka Wonke, Barrister Ineme Aguma, Owanfo Uchechuku, Kenneth Chisom Bali, Henry Ogiri, Dr. Jacobson Mbina, Engineer Charles Amadi, Dr. Roslyn Adawari Uranta, and Barrister Christopher Green. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.